Howdy folks, how are you today? The world's largest can of tomato soup again. Obviously I frequent here. It's where my girls work. Susan and Nicole, will constantly see them. I'm gonna talk to a new guy over here, just started a few weeks ago. His name's Titus, he's pretty cool. So let's get in with him real quick. He's writing down some information for the truck. And then, you know, we're going to just chat him in. And I gotta go back and open the trailer doors for him, so he can check that, because that's basically what he does. So, see what he's up to. What are you doing right now?
Right now I'm filling out the form here, taking down your trailer number and your truck number, and we'll check out the back of it, make sure it's clean on the inside, and send you through.
What do you think about this truck?
You know, it's really classic, you know what I mean? Like, it's, you know, I love the sound of it. I love how it sounds when you're coming down.
Right on.
Yeah, it just sounds really cool, man. But it also looks cool.
Right on.
It's a classic truck.
Thank you. You been watching the channel?
Yeah, I have. I watched a couple videos after I met you.
Last Sunday,
yeah.
First time.
Exactly, yeah, just a week ago, yeah. They're really, you know, they're just good videos. It's fun to watch. You just, you know, do everyday stuff. You know, when you open up those glasses,
yeah,
the pit vipers, yeah, that was a really funny video. I really enjoyed that one.
Thank you.
But yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna go back here and check out this, and I'll hook you back up when I pull out here, so maybe you can hear this thing scream. Until then, we will see ya. All right, folks, I'm getting ready to go do this drop and hook, so I'll stick you on the door right now, kind of out a little bit, so you can still get some POV. You can see the mirror, and then you'll be able to see out this section too. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and then I'm gonna go drop and hook this. I'm gonna have to wait on somebody, it looks like, so oh well, let's get you set up and we'll go over there. So see where you look the best. That's not bad. Hopefully you're back far enough to where you don't bother me when I'm doing this, because right here I gotta do this. Let's see if I can bend you over some. Yeah, that should work, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where the mirror's at. Well, let's do it. Can't find and grind them. Good, he's already backed in and everything. I don't have to worry about him. I got to go down here. 68 right there. Let's get you on some of that mirror there. Back it in. Watch a lot of guys come in here, they struggle because they don't set up right. They get as close as they can to those containers and they try to just jackknife the thing. It's like, dude, pull out some. That thing pulled out. I don't want to have to work that hard. close as we can to that trailer. One cool thing, this is something I love about this truck. Get in there. Get in there. Look at that. What is that? Look how close that is. Insanity. Insanity. She straightened out some. Nope. Sunday. This is my church. It's what I call church because it's what I do on Sundays. It's an easy way for me to go out and make money at the beginning of the week because my pay week starts on Sunday for the company I'm leased to. So this is how I like to start my week because a lot of people don't run on Sunday. These places aren't very busy. I can get in and out. It's just how I prefer to run my truck because I do it like a business. Monday through Friday, if I can sit at home, I will. I'll run Saturday and Sunday when not everybody's out working just because I can take advantage of the situation. So, you know, call me what you want to, but it just works out for me. Wife cuts hair on Saturday and Sundays for her customers and clients because she knows they're busy during the week. So it works out good for us because we don't have any kids at home or anything to worry about. So it's kind of how we can do our stuff. So we got to pick up this trailer over here, 4139. 039. Let's see. Alright, this ugly CSX one's back into her. Looks like it's a high one. Maybe I dropped it. I don't have to worry about getting under, cranking her down, or slamming around. Yeah, somebody else high dropped it. There we go. Gotta give it to it. Gotta give it to it. And now, a hymn from the choir. Enjoy. man. Never know what you're gonna hear. Snap, crackle, and pop when you're hooking up to this crap. Oh, now he wants to go. That thing moving, bud. Folks, I'm about to get off here and slide on home once I drop this over the ramp. Right in there's where Susan and Nicole frequent. Maybe one of these days I'll be able to get them on there. I call that the fun house because every time I come over here and they're in there, it always seems like we're having fun. So it's what it is. You know, they may be a little camera shy, but who knows? One of these days, you know, I'll talk about them enough, they might be able to say hi. So until then, have a good Sunday. This will conclude church when I get back home. So you know what we say. We will see you.